easy to redeem. Just show the ticket to the person in charge. But should have internet as the HVD, click on the voucher and validate it. Service-wise good, life jacket given, in rainy days there provide boat with roof. It was a nice and relaxing tour. The boatman tells us the history of the place although he doesn't speak English much. Still an enjoyable ride. I had some time before my flight, so I decided to come. It was far, but worth the ride. There were also soy sauce shops and sweets shops nearby, so you won't get bored. Just be aware that there aren't many trains or buses to get here. Experience. It suddenly rained while taking the boat in Sawara. I had to stop and take shelter under the bridge. It was a rare experience. There was a swan and many ducks. It was very happy and cute. Fun and relaxing way to see the entire Old Town area. Everyone was helpful and we enjoyed the river. I will note that this is all in Japanese, but that didn't really matter to us at all. I was able to exchange my ticket for a boarding ticket smoothly at the reception. I was able to enjoy the view from the boat, and the breeze was pleasant. I was a little disappointed that I caught up with the boat in front of me halfway through, and felt like I was back in reality and couldn't enjoy the view. Great view and staff are very assistive as well. I had fun knowing the history of the place and how it came to be. Not to mention the great view. Different from the pace of life in Tokyo or other cities, sometimes you need to slow down to live and play. You can come to Sawara for half a day or a day to slowly enjoy the leisurely life in the countryside. A very pleasant and enriching little stroll about the history of this river. I highly recommend it. The tour ticket was exchanged smoothly. The cruise took about 30 minutes. You can enjoy the beautiful scenery of Koedo on both sides. The tour guide introduced the scenery along the way in Japanese. Sawara is an antique, Japanese countryside, where you can experience different culture. I purchased my ticket online, but the staff on site didn't seem to know how to confirm it. After communicating for a while, I got on board smoothly. The scenery is beautiful and the exchange is very convenient. The exchange office is also easy to find. It is easy to enjoy the willow trees by boat.